Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2. Let's explore 3 more idioms that brilliantly express the emotion of anger. I'll also show you how they compare to basic English. Let's get started. Idiom 1, blow your top. This idiom means to lose your temper completely. Basic English. She got extremely angry and started yelling. With the idiom, she blew her top and started yelling. The idiom emphasizes an eruption of emotion, like a volcano ready to burst. Idiom 2, throw a tantrum. This idiom describes an outburst of anger, often in a childish manner. Basic English, he became very upset and threw things around. With the idiom, he threw a tantrum when things didn't go his way. The idiom highlights the immaturity or overreaction that can come with anger. Idiom 3, get on someone's nerves. This idiom is used when something or someone is causing irritation or anger. Basic English, her constant complaining is starting to irritate me. With the idiom, her constant complaining is getting on my nerves. The idiom makes the irritation feel more persistent, like it's digging under your skin. And there you have it, 3 idioms to express anger with style. Which one is your favorite? Do let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English tips. See you next time.